See this shark? It's shark.
As bearded dragon.
Hey
guys.
guys, welcome back to our channel
Renu and Ganesh. So in this video we are at
Prani Pet Sanctuary,
which is in Kanakapura road near Bannerghatta.
yeah, so make sure you watch the video till the
And
end. So yeah guys, we have reached Prani, the pet sanctuary, and here is the car parking. The pet sanctuary is located 40 kilometers from Bangalore, and here is the entrance. You will have to book your slot online, and we have mentioned the link details in the description box. They charge 400 rupees per person, and the payment has to be done in the ticket counter. They do accept cash, UPI and card payments.
So these are all the following sections we have, this green book.
yeah,
In each and every section you will have a different educator. You have to explore yourself section to section. They will help you out how to interact with animals and all.
Okay.
With their presence you can touch and see them.
Okay.
It takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to see everything. And after that also you can stay as much you want till 6:30 we are out.
good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Are you visiting first time the Prani?
Yeah, we are visiting first time.
Okay, welcome to Prani.
Thank you.
Prani is a educational center. Okay, this is a rescue center. Rescue means lot of animals are rescued and some animals are surrendered animals.
Okay.
People buy them as a pet.
Okay.
The,
So when the owner can't handle, they'll hand over it to you.
they are
Okay.
handling here only.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's meet the rodents animals. Rodents means small rats, mouse, guinea pigs,
Okay.
porcupine. These are all rodent family. Okay. The first animal here. Can you guess which animal this is?
Mouse, rat.
Okay, this is not a rat. This is not a mouse. Okay,
Okay.
rat and mouse, they don't have fur on their tail like this. Okay,
Okay.
these have fur on the tail. This is called gerbil. Gerbil. They are from Mongolia. We have a one more rodent here. This is not an hamster. Hamsters have a lot of fur in their body. Okay, this is called Japanese hooded rat. Hooded rat species, and they are from Japan, and they can live up to 5 to 6 years. This is called guinea pig. Guinea pig. Yes. Can you just which animal this is? Is it a porcupine?
Yeah, porcupine.
Okay. Porcupine bigger than this.
Okay.
Okay. This is called hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Yeah.
Hedgehog.
This species is called African pygmy hedgehog. Pygmy means smaller sort. This is the maximum growth.
Aviary. So aviary is a large flight enclosure where birds can spread their wings and fly around.
Monica. See this one? Looking so good.
What about the COVID?
Oh, Renu, listen.
It's called spitting fish or archer fish. They're from Australia. India archer fish are found in the Pacific. In wild, they can jump 2 to 3 feet. They can spit up to 6 to 8 feet. They live up to 8 to 10 years.
This lizard called iguana. Iguana, yeah. Iguana from South America, and they can live up to 15 to 20 years.
Okay, this is not a ostrich, it's a Nemu. So emus are second tallest bird in the world. The first is an ostrich, yes. Yes, the emus are from Australia.
So we have Krishnagiri Dwas donkeys here. So Dwas means small, so this is their maximum size. And we rescued them from a place called Krishnagiri in Tamil Nadu. So here the animal which you are seeing here is a cow. So this is HF breed, Holstein Friesian breed. So this cow, her name is Martha. Martha. Yeah, Martha is around 8 to 10 years old. So this was a rescued cow here. We rescued Martha because Martha was not milking properly. So her owner decided to give her to the slaughterhouse. That we rescued her.
Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. So reptiles are animals like snakes, crocodiles, tortoise, lizards. All these come from the family. The reptile which you are seeing here, this is called as bearded dragon. They are called as bearded dragon because if you see the structures on them, they have a lot of spikes, right? So that it just looks like they are dragon. The animal which you are seeing here, this is a snake, and this one here, this is called as ball python. So anything which has mouth can bite, but these are non-venomous snakes. Okay. So ball pythons are actually docile snakes. They are very docile in nature, and they are commonly found as pets all over the world.
This is a terrapin. Terrapin is semi-aquatic. They can live in both lands and in water also. You can notice they have a web feet. Right?
Yeah.
They can live in water and both in land.
Okay.
Like that, there are different types of terrapins here. This one will have a yellow color belly, so it's called yellow belly terrapin. Next to it, you see, it has a golden thread like marks on the head. So it's called golden thread terrapin. The one in the back, it has a diamond-like shape on its shell. So it's called diamondback terrapin. Okay? Shiny, yeah. Yes. This one, the white one, is actually a soft shell turtle. You touch the turtle, it was so hard, right? The shell. So this is a soft shell turtle. So these turtles, if any animal comes to eat them, they'll tuck their heads and limbs inside. Their hard shell protects the body. You see, the shell is quite flat compared to other terrapins. Beak is also quite long. They use that to bury under the sand. If they sense danger, they'll quickly bury under the sand. Predators won't even know where they went.
So his name is Sunshine. Can I just guess his age now? Current age?
Age?
60 years.
40, 50 years.
40, 50 years, 100 years. Okay, what about this guy here?
10 years.
10 years.
20 years.
20 years. Okay, I'll tell you. So, Sunshine is somewhere between 13 to 15 years old. Okay,
Too big.
and he is somewhere between 3 to 5 years old.
Okay, this is a hoofed animal section. And you can notice they have a split hoof, right? You can notice they have a split on the hoof. All the split hoof animals have 4 chambered stomach.
And you see the white one here. These are called Malawi eye biter. What do you understand from the name eye biter? Usually fish, if it wants to eat other fish, they'll go fight you and they'll get hurt, right? This is a very intelligent fish. If it wants to eat other fish, even if it's bigger in size, they'll go pluck their eyes and eat the eyes first. Then it'll be easy for them to hunt.
So yeah, they have limited food options and there is a small seating place. We tried broccoli rice, pineapple juice and chocolate milkshake, which were okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. In case if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.